Gene responsible for familial WPW syndrome: A. KCNJ5, B. HERG, C. PRKAG2, D. None of the above. Correct answer C. PRKAG2. WPW syndrome is characterized by short PR interval, delta wave due to ventricular pre-excitation, and consequent arrhythmias. About 3% of WPW syndrome can have a familial occurrence. These familial cases have an autosomal dominant mode of inheritance. The gene which encodes for AMP activated protein kinase was identified as the causal gene PRKAG2. Specifically, it encodes for the gamma 2 subunit, which is a non-catalytic subunit of AMPK. These were missense mutations in which a single nucleotide is substituted by another one, inducing a change of a single amino acid in the sequence of the final protein, which is produced by the action of the gene. Most common cardiac anomaly in Ellis-Van Creveld syndrome: A. Ventricular septal defect, B. Patent ductus arteriosus, C. Single atrium, D. Single ventricle. Correct answer C. Single atrium. Single atrium is seen in 40 to 60% cases of Ellis-Van Creveld syndrome. Other cardiac defects like those of mitral and tricuspid valve, patent ductus arteriosus, ventricular septal defect, and even hypoplastic left heart syndrome have been described. Mutations in two genes, EVC and EVC2, situated on the same chromosome, have been documented in Ellis-Van Creveld syndrome. It is an autosomal recessive disorder. Other features are short stature and polydactyly. Preferred add-on therapy in heart failure to ACE inhibitors and beta blockers: A. Angiotensin receptor blocker, B. Mineralocorticoid antagonist, C. Renin antagonist, D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Mineralocorticoid antagonist. Mineralocorticoid antagonist like spironolactone or eplerenone is the add-on therapy in heart failure to angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors and beta blockers in the management of heart failure. Spironolactone has been shown to reduce myocardial fibrosis and corrected QT interval. Which of the following beta blocker in heart failure had no benefit? A. Carvedilol, B. Metoprolol extended release, C. Nebuvolol, D. Bucindolol. Correct answer D. Bucindolol. Bucindolol is a beta blocker with partial agonist activity which did not reduce mortality in heart failure trial. Asystole is not seen in type dash of neurocardiogenic syncope: A. Type 1, B. Type 2A, C. Type 2B, D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Type 2A. Heart rate and blood pressure response to head-up tilt test in neurocardiogenic syncope has been classified by Sutton et al. Most common is the mixed type, in which there is a fall in both heart rate and blood pressure. Fall in blood pressure precedes the fall in heart rate, which falls at the onset of syncope. It can fall below 40 per minute and can be associated with asystole more than 3 seconds, though these cutoff points may not be present always. In cardioinhibitory type, there is a fall in heart rate. In type 2A, there is no asystole, but heart rate falls below 40 per minute and remains so for over 10 seconds without any asystole of more than 3 seconds. In cardioinhibitory type 2B, there is asystole of more than 3 seconds. In vasodepressor type, heart rate does not fall more than 10% from its peak at the onset of syncope. Two exceptions which have been described being chronotropic incompetence and postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome. In the former, there is no increase in heart rate during the tilt test, or any little increase being less than 10% of the pre-tilt heart rate. In POTS, on the other hand, there is an increase in heart rate more than 28 beats per minute compared to the pre-tilt heart rate, which is maintained throughout the duration of the tilt. Plastic bronchitis is seen after A. AST repair, B. Arterial switch, C. Fontan repair, D. VST closure. Correct answer C. Fontan repair. Plastic bronchitis is characterized by marked obstruction of the large airways due to the formation of bronchial casts with rubber-like consistency. Elevated central venous pressure leading to endobronchial lymph leakage is thought to be the mechanism of plastic bronchitis in post-Fontan state. Plastic bronchitis can occur in those without heart disease as well. In those cases due to inflammatory lung disease, the casts are cellular, type 1 casts, while in those with underlying heart disease, the casts are acellular, type 2 casts. Plastic bronchitis has been described after other cardiac surgeries as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.